Hey guys, it's Princess Leah. Alright, so as you guys are down below, and today is doing part 2 of the rice water challenge. My rice water right here has been sitting for almost 24 hours. And when I wash my hair and everything, I'm going to be telling you guys products I use to stimulate growth for my hair. Before I actually start this video, get into this video, if you guys want a post notification shout out, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe and hit the bell and comment down when done. Like, comment and subscribe. Even if you don't want a shout out, just do it just because. Do it out of the goodness of your heart. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. So right into this video. It was like here. Okay, it's right here. I don't know where it was in the last video, but I only did this rice water thing once. So yeah, but my hair looks fuller, like, whoa. Okay. Ow. Alright, yeah, this is about it for this video. But before I close the video off, I just want to mention this product that I have been using is black castor oil. Not sponsored, but it's Jamaican mango and lime Jamaican castor oil, pure Jamaican castor oil. It has coconut oil in there too, I guess. Yeah, this has been helping with my hair growth. I've seen like growth in my hair. I don't know if it's because of the rice water or this, but I just recently started using this like 2 weeks ago. But my puffs, like I've seen growth in them because like they've gotten bigger and stuff like that. My hair feels good, like really good. I definitely recommend rice water. For those who are wondering, I have type 4A B hair. Yeah, I used to think it was 3C because like my ends, when I bleach my ends, like they were really loose, like the curl pattern was really loose, but pretty sure it's like type 4 or something like that. I definitely recommend you try using castor oil and beeswax and stuff like that. Also, if you guys want a wash day routine, I'll be giving that to you soon. Yeah, I'll give you guys like a wash day routine when I get my stuff, like everything I need and stuff like that. I'll be giving a wash day routine, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, just wanted to tell you guys basically, you know, what I've been using to grow my hair. So it's not really only the rice water I'm using. So like if you want to do the rice water challenge, I suggest you do it, but get like oils and stuff like that to grow your hair as well. So like it speeds up the growth process, you know. Yeah, and it keeps your hair moisturized, all of that, because moisture grows your hair. Yeah, but this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and comment down below anything. Tell me how your day is going, video ideas, anything. Just comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.